besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a really special video because today I am finally going to be preparing for the new year 2025. Today's evening is all about prepping for 2025, setting my goals, setting up my journal. I have been journaling since past 4 or 5 years, but last year in 2024 I didn't do it because I don't know why, but I'm finally doing it this year because I don't know, I think it just helped me a lot. So I am prepping in this journal. It's dot grid journal, if you guys want to know, because I love drawing and sketching, doodling in my journals. So I always love having dotted journals. They help me a lot whenever I'm doodling. So yeah, this is going to be a whole event in itself. I will be making my vision board and etc, all of that good stuff. I hope you guys are excited too. So if you also want to plan for 2025, grab a cup of hot chocolate or coffee, or just go grab your journal and let's just set up our goals, and let's just set up and get ready for 2025. And yeah, let's go. First things first, I am going to be lighting one of these because I literally don't have any nice candle. So I thought, why not? Let's just use this today. I don't know how to lit up a candle. I'm just going to use this matches, and yeah, let's go.
So besties, as the new year is here and we all are super excited for it, I hope, and if you are not, it's totally okay, but just remember that it is 2025 and we are not taking any negative vibes or negative people or memories with us in 2025. I know it's hard to just forget what happened in 2024, but why not? Let's just try and forget about the negative stuff that has happened to us, and let's just move on and create a better life and situation for us in 2025. And to be honest, it's a lot easier than we think. You just have to be a little more positive, and we just have to remind ourselves, affirm ourselves that yes, we are fine, our life is fine, and it is going to be fine, even better than fine. It's going to be the best. And also I wanted to tell you that everything you see on social media is not real. For example, in this clip I was trying so hard to light up a candle, but it wasn't, and it wasn't perfect, so I gave up. Guys, I give up. मुझसे ये नहीं हो रहा है. I'm trying to lit up the candle, and I did, but I flipped the page and it literally ये बुझ गई, और अभी मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने इतने सारे matches waste कर दिए थे. So I just decided to use this artificial candle, and it's totally okay. Even if I don't have nice scented candles from Bath and Body Works, still I am trying my best to romanticize this moment, you can say, and I'm still trying my best to show you guys that it's completely okay if you don't have aesthetic environment or something like that we say online. And even if your life is not that perfect as we see on social media, it's fine, it's going to be okay, but just don't lose hope, don't just give up in the middle, and keep trying, and I know you will achieve so many things in future.
Besties, this is me couple of days later, and today we are finally making our vision board. Today is 1st of January and I'm so excited to make my vision board. I already got my prints yesterday, but I didn't have time to make it, so we are finally making it today and I'm so excited. I am wearing pink because I wanted to radiate some feminine energy, And before I make my vision board, I cleaned my room. I literally did all the dusting. I also got rid of many things which I didn't need anymore, many old things, because I want a fresh start for 2025, and I can feel it. This year is going to be so good, and I can feel it that yeah, it's going to be a good year. It's going to be the best year actually, and I'm going to achieve so many things. So let's go and make my vision board right now. I'm also going to light some candles. I don't really have proper candle, but yeah, we are lighting up this candle today. So yeah, let's go. And while I'm making my vision board, I was thinking I should do a face mask, because this is all about radiating at our highest frequency, so I feel like this will help me. So here are the pictures that I got printed yesterday, and I'm just gonna stick them to a white drawing paper, because I feel that's the hardest paper I have, thickest paper that I have. So I'm just gonna make it, and yeah, I'm gonna stick it with this double-sided tape, because last year I used this and it was going really well. So let's just make it.
So as we all are getting older, as we are going to be giving our most important exam, 12th boards in 2025, and also we are going to be giving CET, JEE, NEET, or many of us are also giving NID and UCEED design entrance exam, NIFT fashion design, and many of us want to pursue their dream career in future. So we all are preparing for that. It's just so weird that we are getting older so quickly.
Guys, I just cut everything down, and it took me quite a while. I'm not gonna lie, it took me like 40 minutes, not 40 minutes, 50 minutes in total, but I don't regret it at all. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go and separate all of these according to the goals I have, so it will be better for me to arrange them on my vision board. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first.
I feel this year is going to be different from our past years, because before we used to live in our homes, we used to go to our schools, colleges nearby our home with our parents, but now we have to move out of our houses to our college dorm or hostel. I don't know how much of that will actually happen, but if we get into the nice college, into government colleges or something like that, we definitely have to move out. For me, I will have to move out of my home, and I think that's really different from me, as I lived at home my whole life. But I am so excited for the new change, and this year is going to be so good and filled with positivity and filled with balance, and I hope this year will be good for you guys too. And let's just not lose hope in the middle, and let's just keep dreaming and keep achieving, keep manifesting. And if you guys haven't made your vision board, please go and make it right now. It's never too late to set your resolutions or make your vision board. You can even send me your vision boards on my Instagram, and I will love to see it and post them on my Instagram stories. Have a happy new year filled with joy and gratitude and abundance. Thank you so much, besties, for watching, and I love you guys so much. 2024 wouldn't have been the same without you all, my besties, and I love you so much. And yeah, I just love you so much. Bye.